we got a very turbulent, muddy mess with cold water, and there's nobody else here, which makes me think probably not the best fishing conditions today, despite the sun in the air, but it's beautiful out here. But I'm gonna snap my fingers. I'm gonna make this a little bit more fishable, but I will warn you, it could bring a crowd. So let's see. Are we gonna end up catching fish here? Is this gonna be more fishable? Okay, this is better conditions. Let's see what we can get. Oh, I just had a swipe. It's a good sign. Good sign. Well, they're certainly well fed here. We just have to look like the one fish that's easy to get. Come on. Just gotta change up the cadence a little bit. It's very rare, Dan, when we have the spot to ourselves. I'm also wondering why. Was there a cold front or something last night? Okay, when you got bright blue skies like this and a lot of sun, maybe they just want a little bit more of a gold flicker.
I hear a train. I like trains. I'm just a flickering spoon in the sun. Doing my thing. Doing my thing. First K.
All right, it's a gold spoon. I got hit like 3 times as soon as I threw it in. I got plenty if you need them. Hey, skipjack. Skipjack herring. Tennessee tarpon. We can throw this out. This is good bait. This is great bait. So he's going to put bait on a remote control boat. Oh, I see what he does. He lets it on top, drives it out there. There it goes, Dan. And pulls it into the water and drives it back. And then drive that boat right out there in that current where the hybrids and the stripers hang out. And then he's gonna pull, I'm thinking he's gonna pull the bait that's on that float into the sweet spot and drive the boat back. There it goes. Bait is in the water. We're gonna keep an eye on that big old orange ball. Wait for a hybrid hit. Usually keep a fluke on that and it just kind of gets tossed around in the rapids. Oh, you thirsty. I can tell you're thirsty. He's a good boy. You a good boy? Let's get our steps in. We're getting our steps in today. I'll you next week, alright, man? Hey, welcome back, Cincy Fish Dudes. I'm your host, Paul. Today, of course, I have my boy Neil, my boy Jason, and we are doing some early morning wading on this pleasant river. It is part of the Little Miami River system, and we got swim baits and grubs on. Did a little top water, and we're just gonna see what we can catch on this episode of And the white grub fire from the Cincy Fish Dude tackle box. Link in the description below. All right, Neil. Neil's getting a bite with a small grub. No topwater bites. Early in the morning, still no topwater bites for Jason and I. Of course, we haven't had rain in centuries. The creek needs an enema. I had a reel from here this spring when Matt and I, before all the leaves came out. Yeah. We were just falling left and right. We had waders on. So I just made the video of us just constantly falling in. It was so...
Was it you or Matt that fell like by a dam or something one time in one of your videos?
I fell in a dam once. Yeah, that was me. Fish on. Chartreuse. We got to double up. See this blind squirrel baits? That's their grub. It's just like the Cincy fish grub, but this one's got awesome like flake in it. Water's getting a little bit more stained. What is that? That's some serious topwater. It's almost like a hurt bird or a dragonfly.
All my staff plays right now. It's like kind of like role playing.
Yeah.
This one's pretty good. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah, nice one.
There we go, Neil.
Where's your net, Paul?
I don't have one.
Stay on.
Yes! Wow.
Jason.
That's a nice one, Neil.
Thank you.
That's on the big Joshy. Gorgeous.
Decent size.
Hell yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah. First time Neil and I ever shot a Cincy Fish Dude video was there, and it was 100 degrees.
Is it as hot as that time us three went up to see the freezer time?
Oh no. Well, that was pretty hot. We got skunked.
I was like, dude, this is out of control how hot that was.
That's a tank.
Oh, look at that cute one.
Wonder for your fish.
How big that one. Actually, mine might even been smaller. That hit that whopper, but the whopper was bigger than it.
Hey, we're gonna get out of here. We'll be back in 1 week, next Thursday. Thanks for watching Cincy Fish Dudes. It's been a pleasure. Not the greatest week of fishing. We've had a lot of hot days and cold nights and cold days and hot nights, and you know, it just gets weird out there sometimes, and you can't just be landing fish Ohio's every week, but we'll do our best to see what we can land next week. We'll see you then. Thanks for watching Cincy Fish Dudes.